Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I will show you, this is the HP Pavilion 15 series laptop. You can see it is broken. The display stand is totally broken. So today I'll fix this and show you how to fix this at home. So guys, this is the back cover. Plastic, it was here. Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you. Was this side. So first we have to make some super glue. This plastic, and you have to remove this fully. There have some glue. You have to remove this slowly. Okay guys. You can see this side is good, but another side is damaged, totally damaged. This side still have some good condition. And guys, now I put some glue here. Put this plastic back, please. Keep it like this way for 10 minutes for glue become strong. After 10 minutes I will come back. Guys, I check laptop is working or not. It's working, you can see. Hey guys, I'm come back after a few minutes. So you can see this plastic is now good. Okay, and now you need a glue, is M-Seal. This M-Seal glue is very good for repairing the broken parts of laptop. So here is two colors, and I will cut these two colors both same. Okay, so I take same these two colors and mix it well. Okay guys, you can see I mixed it, and you need some water. Sometime you have to put some water. So guys, you can see it's a little bit strong, but you have to mix it very well like this by hand. Take a little bit water and fix it. Okay, you can see it's become soft. You have to make it more soft. Use some water. Now you can see this very soft. So you need take some glue and use this here. Guys, you can see how I put it. Now I put this the position. Okay guys, now I use this frame, return back, close, now guys, you can see this side. See, I just folding this laptop and make tape and keep it for 6 to 12 hours, and after that you can see it will become very strong. You can see it's look like new, it's not showing it's broken. Guys, I'm come back after 12 hours. You can see, just remove the tape and open the laptop, check it's working perfectly or not. Wow, it's perfectly. See, it's not looking. I have to fix it. See, it's very nice now. It's look like new. Now I plug in. Okay. Okay guys, you can see it's working now perfectly. Okay guys, see it's working perfectly, and you can open, close any way you want. See, it's not look like broken. Let's fix it. Totally done. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video notification. Thank you. Stay with me.